everyone, hope you're doing great. Today in this video tutorial you will learn how to create an e-worksheet using Wiser.me. Wiser.me is an educational platform that allows teachers to create fun, easy and quick digital worksheets to share it with the fellow teachers and to keep track of students' performances. In order to create an e-worksheet using this website, you must have an account at Wiser.me. So first let's see how to create an account. Open your web browser and type in the URL www.wiser.me. This window will open. Click on Join Now. Click on the Teacher tab. Sign up as a teacher using your BH account. So enter your BH email ID and password, or simply click on Sign up with Google and select your BH account. In this way your account will be created, and now it's the time to create the worksheet. In order to create the worksheet, click on Create Worksheet. Now from the drop-down menu, select Worksheet Grade and the subject of the worksheet. Let's take an example of English worksheet. Over here you're supposed to enter the title. Let's take the example of types of noun. When you scroll down, you will see multiple tasks. You can assign different tasks to your worksheets. It's not necessary to assign all the tasks. You will have to pick and choose the activities required for your worksheet. So let me explain you some of the tasks. For example, take this open question. You are supposed to click on the question and then you're required to enter a question for the students. When you scroll down, you will see this instructions, and this is optional. It's optional that you can give some instructions to your students. For example, you can tell them to write it in a line, or you can skip this as well. Then there is an option of record instructions, and if you want to record it, you just have to click on this voice tab and then click on it and record your voice audio file, or you can upload the audio file as well. Once you are done, just click on this Done tab. In this way, one task will be assigned. In order to assign multiple tasks, you can scroll down and click on the task you wish to assign. Let's take another example of multiple choice question. Okay, this is the question, and you scroll down again. There is an option of record instructions. Then you are supposed to enter answers and select the correct one. In the columns, you are going to enter the options for students. Like here, I'm giving the options. It's not necessary to give only 3 options. You can give more than 3 options by just clicking on Add another answer. Okay, now you are supposed to select the correct option. Here the correct option is Ali, so we are going to select it. Once we are done, we are going to click on this Done tab. Okay, the first question that we assigned was open-ended question, so the teacher has to grade it manually. But the next question, which was multiple choice question, we have given the answer to the system, so it will be graded automatically once the students will attempt the worksheet. Let's take another example of this matching. Click on it and give instructions. Write title. You can add title according to your need, and then you can also enter some instructions, which is optional, and recording your question is also optional. Okay, here then you are supposed to add some matching pairs. On the left side you will write one pair, and on the right side you will write the pair of the option that you are giving. And in order to increase the options, you just have to click and add in. You can add as many pairs as you want. Once you are done, click on it. It is done. So up till now we have added 3 tasks to this worksheet. We can add as many tasks as we want. This reflection one is the self-assessment of the students. You can add it in the end of the worksheet. Let's do it as well. Okay, once you click on it, you will be given some question bank. Just click on this, the drop down menu. You will receive a lot of questions. You can pick and choose from here, or you can type in your own question. And then there is an option of voice recording, and you can just confine it to the ranking if you uncheck this free text. If you are assigning this worksheet for smaller kids, for younger kids, but you can check it as well. It's up to you. And you can also define the size of the answer. It can be from small, medium, and large. In this way, you can assign as many tasks as you want. Once you are done with the worksheet, click on the Save tab, and your worksheet will be saved in the dashboard. The teacher can edit it anytime. From here, you can review the worksheet. You can see the worksheet looks like this for your students, and the system has shuffled it itself. Once you are done creating your worksheet, you can assign your worksheet to the learners by clicking on this Assign tab. Click on this Classroom. Okay, now you're going to share it with your classroom by click on this drop down menu, select your classroom in which you wish to share it, then choose an action. The action is make an create assignment, and click on Go. And finally, by clicking on this Assign tab, your worksheet will be assigned to the learners. Once the learners have attempted the worksheet, you can check it by just typing www.wiser.com.me on the web browser. Then click on this Login tab. As your account has already been created, so you don't need to sign up. You just need to log in the next time. Then click on My Worksheets. From the worksheet, you can assess the answers. The first question that we assigned was open-ended question, so the teacher has to grade it manually, but the rest will be graded by the automatic system. In this way, the teacher can send the feedback to the students. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be useful for you.